Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a magnificent, wonderful, a miraculous spell which can make your partner to think about you non-stop, and your partner will target person will start daydreaming about you. 24 hours non-stop thinking about you, 24 hours always trying to be with you. Such a powerful spell it is, but I would request every one of you that please do not try to take advantage of this spell, because if you are going to take the advantage of this spell, then probably it is going to hit you back. So make sure that you are using it for a genuine and legitimate purpose, and definitely you are going to get the results. This is a powerful spell in which you just need to chew one thing, and while chewing that thing you have to chant this mantra, and this spell, it will be giving you 100% sure shot results, and you will not have any other issues related to your personal or your love life, I would say. Now for this, what you need to do while chewing this, there are certain instructions which I would like to clarify you. First of all, you can cast this spell only on certain days, that is either on 1st of any month, 10th of any month, 21st of any month, or 31st. So these are the 4 days on which this spell works, right? Then you need to get a green fresh cardamom. If you are not aware what is cardamom, then this is the cardamom. It's an Indian species, Indian spice, which you can get it from any shop. It's a green one, it's a seed. Green cardamom you need to get, and once you are chanting this spell in your mind, you make sure that you do not cross the path of your target person. It's written over there that must not cross the path. If she meets you or she tries to interact with you, or he meets you or he tries to interact you, then unfortunately at that moment this spell will not work. This is the ideal spell for all people who have lost all kind of a contact. All kinds of a contact have been lost. You are not able to see any kind of an improvement. Then in this case you can use this powerful I would say chewing gum spell, because you just need to chew a green fresh cardamom and you will get the results. Now suppose I am starting this spell on 1st of any month. What I'll do, I will consume this green cardamom, and while chewing this cardamom, I will chant this spell which is there on your screen right now. I can read it one more time for you. Dash 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 means your partner's name. Here your partner name would be coming. Tong Zehada Yong Yulo. It's a powerful Korean spell which works in any condition. We have specially brought up this spell for you so that your partner should realize. While chewing this cardamom, you have to read maximum number of times this spell, and make sure that while you are doing this, your partner or your target person should not cross your path. And once you have done it, for instance 1st of any month was on Monday, so you need to follow this process for continuously 5 Mondays. If the 1st of any month was on Tuesday, then you need to follow this process for continuously 5 to 6 Tuesdays. And on the next, once the 5 to 6 Mondays or Tuesdays are over, next day your partner, wherever he or she is, whatever he or she is doing, wherever he or she is living, whatever may be the reason for differences, he or she has to come to you and she has to apologize you. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask us. Either you can call us on the number which is there on your screen, or you can drop a WhatsApp message as well. We always answer our comments if you drop a comment as well in the comment section. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. And one more thing, I forgot to ask all my viewers that please don't forget to share your positive experiences with us. We are looking forward for your positive experiences, so that other people should also know that what kind of results you have got and how powerful this spell it is. Till that moment, take care. Bye bye.